Hey, welcome back to Ideal 3D Projects. In this video, I'm sharing with you the breakdown of the Hexagon Flower Puzzle. If you saw the short, you already know this started as just an idea. But today I'm going to show you how it all came together, from design to print, and finally bringing this flower to life. The best part, you get to decide how it comes together. For the design process, each piece seemed to be separate, but fit next to each other to create the seamless flower look. I did so much in the original design that when I started recording it slowed down my computer so much, so I'll have to open up a new window to show you how I designed it. Using the design software Plasticity, first I get to the plane I want and use the polygon tool to create the hexagon and get it to the desired size, then offset it to get the border of the main shape. Once you have the border, use the polygon tool to make a mini version of it and duplicate, move, and connect them until the design is covered. Once covered, take the trim tool to get your desired patterns in each piece. For example, the patterns I chose were a 3-hex cutout, mini hex flower, honeycomb, and a few basic hex patterns. Then extrude the faces to the desired heights, and there you go. Once the design was ready, it was time to print. Using vibrant analogous colors like yellow, green, and blue to make the puzzle really pop. I used my Endermax Neo printer and PLA filament to print the pieces. Each piece took about 30 minutes to print with a few hiccups along the way, but the pieces turned out great. Now for the fun part, putting it all together. Each piece was designed to fit right next to each other, but it's not as easy as it looks. Starting with the bright yellow piece in the center, I'm surrounding it with the blue petal pieces. Each petal can go in any order, so you can mix it up. The leaves are the same. They can sit anywhere outside the petals, so you can create your own unique design. It's a puzzle that tests your patience and attention to detail because you decide how it looks without a box or any instructions telling you. When you're happy with your layout, you can keep it as a flexible puzzle or make it permanent using a little adhesive to turn it into a decoration. Just be careful, if you use glue, a little glue goes a long way. Once it's set, you've got a custom flower that's all yours. And here it is, the finished hexagonal flower puzzle. Whether you keep it as a puzzle or turn it into a decor, it adds fun, color, and creativity to any space. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments if you'd try making something like this or how you'd make it your own. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more 3D printed designs and projects like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.